Hey YouTube, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about a new leak regarding the LG Stylo 6. LG previously announced the Stylo 5 last year in June, and it seems the company will soon unveil its successor, the Stylo 6, that appeared in press render shared by reliable leakster blass. Unlike its predecessor, the LG Stylo 6 packs are not displayed surrounded by slimmer bezels at top and bottom. On the back, the Stylo 6 features a triple camera setup placed horizontally as opposed to the single cameras on Stylo 5. Also, alongside with camera sensor, you will see an LED flashlight. On the back, you will also see a physical fingerprint scanner present on the back side, and on the right side of the Stylo 6 is the power button, and the left side is SIM card slot, and along with that you will also see a volume rocker, and what might be a dedicated key for Google Assistant is also present on the LG Stylo 6. At the bottom of the device, you will see a 3.5mm headphone jack, a noise cancellation mic, a Type-C port, a speaker grill, and a slot for stylus. And up on the top, you will see a secondary noise cancellation mic there. There is no word for LG about the Stylo 6 yet when it's going to announce that device, but if the date of the phone on the screen is an indication, then we will see a smartphone go official on May 18. There is no information regarding the spec sheet for that particular device about the processor and RAM, and even the battery information has been unveiled yet. We might see new information regarding the spec sheet for that particular device in coming days. So LG is also working on the stylus, which is also available in Samsung devices, and they are making similar kind of a stylus look of their phone, and we see in the future what kind of these devices will be look alike. Even though the front of the device is going to be coming with an IPS LCD display, which means we might not see any kind of high-end device from LG in terms of stylus as we have seen in Samsung, but time will tell how this device is going to function and what is going to be the sale rate for that particular device. So guys, that is it in this video. If you are new here, do consider subscribing my channel, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.